guys, I have the coolest house coming available here soon. I cannot wait. Hold on. Did you see that? The coolest house, and I cannot wait to bring it here, coming soon in the next coming days. It's beautiful. Not a single square foot of this house has not been updated, and done so beautifully. Stunning is the word that comes to mind. It's also amazingly located. So you're 10 minutes outside of downtown Cary. You could walk to the YMCA, to Bond Park, to Bond Lake. It's an amazing location, and it's beautiful. It's been updated in great ways. So you've got a privacy fence in the backyard. It makes entertaining so easy, enjoyable. And then of course you've got the updated kitchen that's been fully renovated. Bathrooms have been renovated, flooring, paint, roofing, decking, the whole 9 yards. I can't wait for you to see this house. We'll be priced at $425,000, and it will be coming soon here in the next coming days. Please stay tuned. It won't last long. Have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic rest of your week.